So we're not gonna melt it because we're making this into a cream for your daily use. So we are just fluffing it up and lightening it. And take a look. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now take a look at what I have here. This is a petroleum jelly, also known as a Vaseline. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Vaseline to make a wonderful facial cream. I'm going to use the Vaseline as a base and I'm going to add some wonderful ingredients that can help to fight wrinkles and fine lines, that can help to boost the collagen production in the skin. It also can help to soften the skin, hydrate the skin, and have you looking glowing, radiant in no time. So if you're interested in seeing how I use the Vaseline to create this wonderful facial cream, continue watching the video. Now take a look at the main ingredient, which is a petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is very moisturizing. It's a perfect base ingredient to use on your skin for radiant, young, fresh skin. Now here is my second ingredient, and this is green tea. This is a wrinkle fighting ingredient right here. Green tea is known to hydrate your skin also, and it is also known to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Vegetable glycerine is one ingredient that is going to have your skin looking amazing. It's a very versatile ingredient, an ingredient that can be as an all-purpose ingredient for your skin. You can add this to most of your homemade facial creams and serums and oils. It's gonna work amazing. It also contains vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that will help to boost the collagen production in the skin. Now guys, take a look at what I have here. This is coffee essential oil, and coffee is known to help with circulation. Coffee will help to boost the collagen production. A little coffee essential oil goes a long way. It's really good for your skin. If you do not have coffee essential oil, go ahead and use some coffee powder or some brewed coffee in this recipe. Now the final ingredient is a vitamin E oil. It's an all-rounder oil loaded with antioxidant that will hydrate the skin, lock the moisture in your skin, and have your skin looking years younger in no time. So I'm going to reach for our base, which is the Vaseline, and I'm going to pour it in my bowl, and I'm just going to fluff the Vaseline up. Just fluff it up, let some hair get into it. Make it very light, much lighter. It's supposed to start looking white, okay? So just fluff. A lot of people don't know that you could actually fluff the Vaseline up. You can also choose to melt the Vaseline. So we're not going to melt it because we're making this into a cream for your daily use. So we are just fluffing it up and lightening it. And take a look. This is what your Vaseline should look like after it has been fluffed up. And next guys, we are reaching for the green tea. Now we're not going to brew the green tea. If you want to, you could brew it, but we're not brewing it today. What we're going to do, we are going to open a tea bag. If you don't have green tea bags, use tea leaves, and we are going to pour it in the Vaseline like I'm showing here. And we are going to just mix it in further, and this is going to infuse nicely in the Vaseline. So just mix your green tea in the Vaseline and keep fluffing, and just keep fluffing this up. And next guys, we are going to reach for our vegetable glycerine, and we're using about a teaspoon of vegetable glycerine. And next, our vitamin E oil, and this vitamin E oil is 5000 IU. If you have capsule, use 2 in it. I use a half of a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and we're gonna just fluff this up further. And now it's getting into a serum-y consistency, and this is exactly how you need it to be. Keep fluffing. And next we're reaching for our coffee essential oil. And we're going to use, this is very strong, so we're going to use about 3 to 4 drops. If you're using brewed coffee, use about a tablespoon. So we're just going to add this to it. And we're going to keep fluffing this up. Amazing fragrance coming from this right now. So just mix this together well. And as I said to you, it's supposed to be a syrupy consistency. And whisk this coffee, green tea, cream together. And take a look at this. This is it. This is the amazing cream that you can use on your skin. Watch it works wonders for your skin. Watch it hydrate your skin. Watch it just get rid of those wrinkles. Watch it just plump that skin up. And just watch it just have your skin looking amazing, younger and fresher. So guys, to use this, and you can use this daily, AM and PM, you need just a little bit of this. A little goes a long way. Let me just pour mine in a container. Just scoop it out. Now you do not need to refrigerate this. This can be kept on your countertop for way over 6 months, okay? There's nothing in this that's gonna go bad. And here it is. This is your coffee or green tea moisturizer. Now once you have this made, what you're gonna do, you're gonna cover it with a tight cover and you're gonna place it in a dark area. You're gonna let the green tea infused in the rest of the ingredient. Leave it there for about 5 to 6 days and then it is ready to use. To use this, you just need a little bit, not a lot. Just take a little and just apply it to your skin, your face, your neck, and your décolleté. And here it is, and a little goes a long way. So you want to make sure to wash your face, exfoliate your face if you have to, and then you just reach in and take a little bit. And what you want to do always is, see, just a little, and you're going to warm it in your hands. Just rub it in your hands. You're going to feel a bit of the granule from the green tea. You could just dust it off like this. That is if you didn't blend it completely to a powder, and then you just press it on your skin. And I like to wake my skin up with it. Alright, so just wake the skin up. And that is it. That is it. You want to use this as often as you wish for best result. Now remember, you do not have to store this in your refrigerator. You can leave it on your countertop for at least 6 months or so. There's absolutely nothing in this to go bad. Use it AM, PM, whenever you feel like. Don't forget, you can also use it on your neck and your décolleté, wherever you tend to have sagging skin, and you're on your way to a beautiful looking skin. All right. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And guess what? If you're out there and you used the Vaseline growing up as a kid, feel free to leave a comment. If you're still using the Vaseline, if you use products that contain petroleum, feel free to comment. And the reason why I'm asking you to comment is because a lot of people tend to shy away from petroleum. However, I grew up using the petroleum jelly on my skin, and a lot of wonderful products out there do contain petroleum. So I just want to hear your take on petroleum. Thank you all for watching. And guess what? If this was your first time watching and you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. But to get a notification as soon as I upload a video, you also will have to click the little bell at the side. And therefore, when I upload the video, you will get the notification right away. Turn on a notification on your phone for YouTube to get the notification. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.